right now. Real quick before we get started with today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Taylor Spry Homestead. Today we're getting ready to kill 2 roosters. As you know, 2 roosters, we got 3 roosters in the coop. That's too many, so we can only have 1 rooster. So we're getting ready to kill 2 of them. We're gonna cook them on the grill today. Hey, y'all, check us out. We got our water boiling right now. Water's good. There are our chickens right there.
It seems like...
We're gonna kill 2 of these roosters today.
Where's the knife at?
Getting ready to kill 2 of our roosters there. We got a cone set up right here. What we're gonna do is once we put the chicken in here, we'll hang him upside down, let him get in this cone and sit for a few minutes, then we'll cut his throat. Hey y'all, we're getting ready to do it. We got roosters in here. 2 of them got to go today. 2 of them got to go. 2 of the roosters got to go. So TP Nation, y'all come along for the journey. All right, Jeezy. Jasmine, here, hold this. You're recording now. This is my station, so you're recording.
Is it already recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
We gotta get the roosters out.
Come on, man. Come on, chicken. Hold on. Chickadee! 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 Going down. Watch out for that. Watch out for that. It's about to go down. We at the ranch.
Ponderosa. There go one right there.
Y'all see what's one of the biggest?
Yeah, that's the biggest right there.
2 small chickens.
The big one over in the back.
Right there.
But those 2 big, yeah. He the smaller than. And that one small. That one big. Can you grab it? Who going to y'all death today?
Push him back over this way toward me. That's 2 smaller one. That's a big one.
No, this one is big. That's a small one, and that back there is small one. He's the biggest. Yeah, that's the big one there.
I'm gonna let the big one stay.
We gotta get him.
I want the small one.
Start with one at a time.
Yeah. Come on. I want you. Come on. Chapman, you just recording.
I am recording, I'm sorry.
Come on.
You gonna grab him by his neck?
No, for the feet. You can grab the neck. That's by him.
That's the big one.
Get the
There
neck.
you go. There you go. Get his ass. Get his ass. Get his ass.
You know he's gonna die. Why you gonna kill him like that?
Cause that's what we do. We murderers.
Hey!
Little murder.
Hey!
Oh, Marcus.
Call Marcus, K.
Jasmine, you're recording.
Oh, I'm sorry.
TP Nation, check this out. We get ready to kill our first chicken today.
K, call Marcus.
Oh my God.
Are you pooping? No.
Never gotta kill him in front of me, for. I'm gonna start crying, getting emotional.
Marco. This is the circle of life. This is what you had to do back in the old days.
Let me see. Let me take a good side of him.
Oh, boy, I gotta wash your... No, he's not gonna... He's not.
Look at that boo.
Taylor don't know. Yes, I do. Want to be Amish.
As soon as you drain all the blood to his head, he gonna go slow down.
This is so sad.
It's not sad.
It's so fast.
See you pull his head up.
Now, watch out. Mommy.
Beast.
Mommy,
Okay.
big guy. Oh, she closed her head. She closed her head.
Head underneath it.
She closed her head. I mean, her face. Her eyes.
It's a he. Hold on.
But it's a he.
Jasmine, you recording.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Why you got me recording? I want to be in the action.
Give it to her.
Yeah, you recording.
We'll take it
Here,
back.
You gotta grab the head out.
They're recording. Put it out.
No, grab the bird's head.
Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
I can't.
There you go.
You gotta grab the head, make sure it goes through the
I
side.
can't see it.
You stop him,
grab
man.
it. You can't see it.
Come on down, Dad. Come down.
Pull it all the way down first.
Here, twist it.
Now, let him sit. That's it.
Here. You pull
You
it
about
up.
to get light.
Let him
Twist
sit.
it. Hold this.
He'll get light here.
What? Which one?
This one.
Then he gonna resist less.
Here, hold this one.
This one.
No, this one.
Bro, they're all watching his execution.
TP Nation, you get ready to take him out?
Poor chicken.
Like, I'm
Poor
sorry,
rooster.
bro.
This is it. for
Just
you,
let him
brother.
sit, Jasmine. Just leave him alone.
Leave him alone. He good.
Leave him alone. Let him sit there for 5 minutes.
All right, so who gonna eat the feet?
You gotta relax.
You gotta peel it off, man. And I said like that, you peel it off.
You going to the upper room.
We're killing our first chicken. We got home day. This is family around here today, guys. Thank y'all so much. Hey, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We need y'all support, man. We're killing our first chicken on the homestead today. I got my family here with me on the homestead, y'all. Just let him go. When he closes his eyes, he'll be ready.
Who we sacrificing today?
You sacrificing the chicken.
He's like, this is a day that we go ahead and sacrificing my sins.
We're gonna
Don't
kill
play
this
with
rooster
the
today.
rooster, man. Don't play with him like
Yeah,
that.
stop teasing him.
You gotta give him some love before he dies.
You got the
See,
knife.
he's starting to close his eyes already.
So
See that?
we had to eat dinner. So
See, if y'all leave him alone,
we went and got our own.
yeah,
This ain't the only one today. We getting another one, ain't we?
we're killing 2 of them.
2 chickens.
Yeah.
Look at his brother.
TP Nation, we're killing our first chicken of the day.
Let's cut him
Killing 2
off.
roosters.
Let's cut him off.
It's American way.
Yeah, let's cut him off.
What is the chicken? Listen, you're not gonna cut up you're not gonna chop up his throat?
No, we're gonna.
Haley, you ever thought about eating?
All right, TP Nation. See, he doing it now. See that? See that? You see that?
Oh, and he snatched her back to get some.
Right. I'm the king. All right, TP Nation, we're now getting ready to pluck the feathers off this chicken. We got Poppy.
I like that chicken.
He like, look, I want it. It's mine.
It's like that guy.
You like chicken, Yolanda?
Yes.
Plucking 2 of them now. We got Poppy plucking them. TP Nation, we're killing our first rooster today. We need to go ahead and get the other one and have him hanging.
I want to eat chicken. This is the real way to eat chicken.
Someone has to do this before you get your chicken.
Right.
Every time.
Come over here, hey. Now, go back this way. Get away from this bowl.
It's hot behind you.
TP Nation, hey, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, to me and Charles's channel. Charles is up on the deck, on the swimming pool up there playing. We're here out here today. Killer got first chicken. We're going to put him on the grill so it can be good, y'all. Hey, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride. We're going to put our second chicken in, y'all.
All right, bro. Well, enjoy your afternoon, man.
All right, Poppy. See,
Yeah.
put him in.
Coño, mucho caliente.
Mucho caliente. Mucho caliente, papi.
Mucho bueno. Cuidado, Marco. Ya, finito. Finito. Vamos para allá.
Yeah, see. In the bag.
Now we're gonna pluck him off.
Yeah, ya, rápido.
Poppy a pro.
Rápido, ve.
Poppy done did this.
Oh, he did this a couple times.
Poppy is from Dominican Republic. All right, big rooster. Rooster, man, leave me alone. Look where the hens at. They gone. The hens done hid in the box.
All right, so when you get a rooster, it's because they lay the egg.
Roosters are the males. Hens is the
But
female.
how did you get them? You had to buy these?
I bought these.
You bought these.
And you buy them like without knowing what you're getting.
Okay, and then they grow up to be a rooster.
Yeah, boys, male versus and females.
Yeah. Probably cool as shit. Probably just
Dominicano. Nosotros ya hacemos eso.
Dominicano, papi.
Sí, dominicano sabe. Eso, no ve, ya, mira. Rápido.
Rapido and Dominicano.
Caliente. Tome.
Hey, Seti. Seti.
Come on, Sonny. Can he go inside or stay outside?
Comment. What's called not in the house.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say
Oh, he's
he'll
good.
tell me he go inside. Come on, Sonny. Come on. Come on, Jacob. Come on, Jacob. Come on.
Papi's a chicken pro.
Jacob, come on.
Papi Dominicana.
Sonny. Come on, man.
Rápido.
Rapido.
No pierdes tiempo. Mira, ven, no es así. Coge todo. Coge, mira. Y hace así, duro. Ven. ¿Comprende?
Sí.
Mira, hace así aquí. Mira. Esto.
Ah, papi.
Esto aquí.
Mucho bueno, papi.
Sí, no, claro. Aprende, ven aquí.
Ah.
Aquí, mira ya, finito ya. Casi.
Papi is from Dominicana. Speaks very little English.
No es necesario ir. No, ¡pum! Ya, listo. Rápido.
Papi's the man, y'all. All right, we're going to cook the chickens up. We've cooked them up. This is my niece Carmen. She's from Dominican 5 Black. Getting ready to cook these chickens up. On the grill, we're going to try them out on a Pit Boss 820, y'all.
Do it this way, the citizen can go inside.
See. All right, y'all. From outside, this is the finished product of our 2 chickens today we've cooked on the Pit Boss grill. Y'all check it out, man. This is the finished product of our 2 roosters that we cooked today. Cooked them on the Pit Boss grill. What y'all think, man? Hey, this is what it is, y'all.